ingredient we have flour, egg, sugar,
Okay.
and chocolate flavor, water, margarine, and baking powder. Let's cook. First step is break the egg.
Okay, how to crack the egg? Can you? Yay! Good job.
Let's put sugar.
Again, one more. One more. Take one more. Okay. Put it here. Put it here. Good job, Gwen. Yes, good job.
Add the egg sugar.
Okay, and sugar. Good job. Next. Stir it. Mix it. Mix it. Good job.
Put the flour into the bowl.
Oh, good job. Next. Again, take it.
Mix it. Wow.
Again.
Put it repeat baking powder. Let's pour the water.
Okay, good job. Pour milk. Yes, in English we can say stir.
Put it in. Put the pan.
One. Ayo, one. Try it first. 1, 2, 3. Good job. What you want to try? 1 spoon. Put 1 spoon here, yeah.
Put the chocolate.
Okay. Here, I help you, yeah.
Look, it's so shiny.
Which one is shiny? The pancake? Yes. Look.
We have finished.
Yes. And the last step is
Put the topping on